Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Nifat Hadi bin Roslan. So today I will be presenting our ECE 359 mini project. So the title that we choose is password lock system. So we have a buzzer and LCD as an output and keypad as an input. So the way the system operates is we have 3 attempts to enter the correct password. So every time we enter the wrong password, the buzzer will beep and the LCD will display incorrect password and it will show how many attempts left. So if we insert the wrong password more than 3 times, then the system will lock for 10 seconds and the buzzer will beep continuously. So if we enter the correct password and the LCD will display unlock.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Tuan Muhammad Ali Aiman bin Tuan Amran and I will be the one demonstrating the system and how it operates. Okay, so we will be presenting the mini project system, password lock system on Dragon 12 Plus 2 debug board HS12. So the input will be the keypad as the password input and we will use the buzzer and LCD as output. If we entered the correct password using the keypad, the LCD will display unlock and there will be display on the mini IDE. And if we entered the incorrect password, the buzzer will ring and the LCD will display lock. If our first attempt is incorrect, the LCD will display 2 out of 3 attempts left and so on. And then if we enter again, the buzzer will ring and then 1 of 3 attempts left. And then if we entered the wrong password 3 times in a row, the buzzer will ring continuously without stop and the LCD will display lock. So this is how the system will work. So right now it is locked and there's 3 attempts left. If we enter the correct password, the wrong password, it will show lock attempts left 2. So it will go down every time we enter the wrong password. And if we enter the wrong password again, okay, and the third time, too many attempts and the buzzer will ring continuously without stop. Then, if the password entered is correct, the LCD will display unlock and there will be displayed in the mini IDE.
Okay, I will briefly explain the coding inside the system. So first of all, we have to define the port for LCD, which is port K, and then we use ORG 2100 to start the system. Then we define a port for keypad and also buzzer, which is port A, and also port T. And we use a jumpstart routine to open the LCD. So we go to the next part. So this part is for a keypad and it is very essential for the keypad because it will scan whether we insert the correct password or not. So the password for the system is 1234. So first we have this get digit 1. So for get digit 1, we assign the keypad number, which is number 1. So number 1 is a hashtag sign $00. So we use a compare B with sign $00. If it's matched with the keypad, it will go to match digit 1, which is a release digit 1. So release digit 1 is that's mean if the key that we enter is correct, so it will store the value inside the ACCB. And same goes to the other get digit part, which is a get digit 2 for a keypad number 2. So we use a compare B hashtag $01, which is the number 2, and if it's matched, it will release the digit. And also same get digit 3, which is hashtag sign $02, which is a number 3, and then get digit 4, hashtag sign $04 for a key number 4. So if all the key entered correctly, it will execute the next byte, which is a system unlock. So basically for this part, the LCD will appear unlocked. So if we entered the wrong password, it will execute the next byte, which is the handle error. So every time we enter the wrong password, it will subtract 1 from the validation limit pool. And then we have this branch not equal ring and retry, which means if we enter the wrong password, the buzzer will ring. And if we enter the wrong password more than 3 times, it will execute this JMP system lockdown. So the next part is ring and retry. So basically this part is for a LCD, which is the scenario if we enter the wrong password. And this is the coding for the buzzer. So we have this bset PTT, which is we assign the buzzer in the system, and we have this branch not equal bit once. So that means if the wrong password is entered, the buzzer will beep. So the next part is a system lockdown. So this is a part if we enter the wrong password more than 3 times. So this part will be executed. So basically this is all the instruction that will be appeared inside the LCD during the system lockdown. So we go to the final part, which is the continuous siren. So this part is for a buzzer. So during the system lockdown, the buzzer will beep continuously. So finally we have this ROM string data for a LCD. So we have this lock, unlock, attempt left, wrong password, too many, and also attempts. So that is all for the coding inside the password lock system.
Okay, so that will conclude our video presentation of the password lock system using the Dragon 12 Plus 2 HES12 trainer board, and with the keypad as input, LCD as output, and the buzzer as output. So that's all from us. Thank you.